poppin', man.
That shit right there is like, you know what I'm saying? Like everything you hear in the computer over there is gonna sound way better here. Cause you're gonna hear now with the speaker how the fuck it's gonna sound with. You know how this shit's supposed to sound like, you feel me?
Well, so like for those that don't know, where you from, my neck?
I'm from Hialeah, West 24 Ave. MOB South. That's my neck.
What's your company? What's your brand? What you repping and shit?
Right now, I ain't repping nothing. I ain't signed with nobody. Ain't nothing. You feel me? Ain't nothing shaking. I'm doing it all by myself. Out of hustle. You feel me? Straight out of my own pocket.
What's your label name? You got a label going on, or
I ain't got no label going on, but you know what you go by? Like, West 24, that's the ad I rep in every song you hear, you know what I'm saying? My shit, you know? And my dog, I got a few homeboys, you know what I'm saying? That you gonna hear about right here, you feel?
How long you been doing your thing?
For a minute. I've been doing it for a minute. It's just now, you know what I'm saying? When a nigga, cause down here, man, don't nobody put you up on game on Nathan.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah.
You see them do it, but they don't put you up on game. Everybody here be hating, you feel me?
Yeah.
So a nigga gotta learn the game on his own. So it took me this long to learn the game on my own to be able to do it with the help of my associate. More like a fam to a nigga, you feel me?
I got you.
Which is him, without nephew.
Okay.
You feel me?
Mr. Day, Mr. Day.
We're only niggas that be putting the nigga up on game on anything and showing a nigga love on everything and supporting the nigga. Of course, my little brothers, the twins, you know what I'm saying? My fully guts, a lot of niggas, you feel me, that behind me.
Okay, you got a lot of wolves behind
right here.
Yeah.
You don't got no neck because the nigga just doing it. God, I'm just doing it.
Yeah,
you feel me? I'm doing it. I don't need to give this shit a name. The name is by itself.
I got you.
Feel me?
I got you. So what's the name of your mixtape and shit that you gonna drop?
The name of my first mixtape, but it's supposed to be called The Operation.
The Operation?
Yeah.
What? You got a meaning behind that?
Yeah. I'm the doctor in this bitch. Feel me?
I got
you. Operate on the music. You understand that?
Now we gonna get into the, some of this music and shit.
No pressure.